Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use call screening. So at first need to enable this. So this feature is when you receive any phone call from unknown number, then you get in details in this number. At first open your phone apps, three dot and settings. Press on the first option, call screening. Make sure to turn on and enable this auto screen call and showing it to language option. Select a language. You just select your mother language. Okay. Press on to voice. Select any voice. Okay. And overall setup, and you can enjoy this feature.